In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a shareable Google Drive link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any file or folder in your Google Drive into a link you can send to anyone you choose. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website and signing in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders laid out either in a list or grid view, depending on your settings. Next, you'll want to locate the file or folder you want to share. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, a PDF, a photo, or even an entire folder with multiple items inside. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for by typing part of the file name. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if you store similar files with similar names. Now, once you've found that file or folder, move your cursor over it and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options like Preview, Open With, Share, and so on. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Get Link. Go ahead and click that. When you click Get Link, a small window will appear on your screen. This is where you control how the link works and who can access your file or folder. By default, the access might be restricted so that only specific people can open it. If that's all you need, you could share it directly with individual email addresses, but if you want a simple shareable link that anyone can open, you'll need to change the access settings. Look for the section that shows the current access level. If it says something like restricted, click on it. You'll see an option that says anyone with the link. Select that option. This tells Google Drive that anyone who has this link will be able to access the file or folder. Depending on your needs, you might also see options that control what people can do with the file, such as viewing, commenting, or editing. For most situations, especially when you're just sharing information, viewer access is the safest choice so other people can't change your content. After you've set the access to anyone with the link and chosen the right permission level, you're ready to copy the link. In that same window, you'll see a button that says Copy Link. Click it once. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you want. Now you can send this link to others. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, a text, a project management tool, or anywhere else you communicate. When someone clicks the link, they'll be able to open the file or folder based on the access level you chose earlier. That's all there is to it. Open Google Drive, find your file or folder, right-click and choose Get Link, change the access to anyone with the link. If you need broad sharing, copy the link and then send it to whoever needs it. Once you've done this a couple of times, creating and sharing Google Drive links will feel quick and effortless.